Everyone, it's Neil from Lancaster Automart. I hope you're all doing real well. I've got a 2016 beige Volkswagen Transporter. It's a 2-litre BiTDI T32 BlueMotion Tech Highline crew van. It's got 61,989 miles and it's a diesel automatic. Absolutely gorgeous van. It's got the 17-inch alloy wheels. Really good condition on all four alloys. It's got the side running bar there at the bottom in gloss black. Electronic adjustable and heated door mirrors. Red calipers just there which stand out. Halogen headlights with automatic activation feature. It's got a black stripe, like a racing stripe. Cool feature of the van. There's the third alloy and the last alloy. It's got the privacy glass, a rear side window and a tailgate with a anti-theft alarm system, backup horn, auto dimming rear view mirrors. It's got the comfort pack, daytime running lights and the rear parking sensors. I'll just show you inside of the van. It's got the storage compartments on the door card. It's got the electronic adjustable windows, electronic adjustable door mirrors with the open and lock. It's got the automatic adjustable headlights. Comes with 2 keys. It's got lovely cloth black seats in the with armrests at either side. It's got a multifunction steering wheel. Features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free. There's the cruise control as well just there and the wiper. It's got 61,990 miles on the clock with a digital speedometer. It's got a couple of cup holders. It's got a 12-volt plug socket, a little storage in there. Moving on to the centre console, it's got radio, which includes DAB, FM, AM, Bluetooth integration, telephone preparation. There's a change in sound. I'll just show you the rear parking sensors working perfectly fine. It's got the stop and start feature, heated windscreen, storage compartments all around the van. It's got a 12-volt plug socket, traction control off, air conditioning unit just there. Moving to the back of the van, it's got the three seats with ice-fix preparation seats on them, insulated all the way around. It's got plenty of lights and curtains, but I'll just show you the side opening door on the passenger side. Side opening door opens up, easy accessible, plenty of space. Has got storage space in the back as well, which opens up. There you go, plenty of storage in the back. But yeah, as you can see, that's just fallen off there. Plenty of storage space. Well looked after by the previous owner. But yeah, really well looked after. There's a final look at the vehicle. Oh. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle or information about your own part exchange or finance in the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.